Hello everybody, another video about Aramark. Aramark, according to my sources, are saying that the driver has no authority to give you a credit. So when the driver is supposed to be issuing credit, he says, I'm going to give you credit. Don't assume that you're going to get that credit. Here's how I think the process works within Aramark. I think that the driver has to go back and he has to justify it to either one of the territory managers, or he has to justify it to some type of a manager. And then even after that, the manager has to go before the general manager and justify it. And a lot of times they'll say, yes, I'll give you credit. The manager says it. The general manager says, yes, I'm going to give you credit. And guess what? The credit never comes. And the reason why is because they're issuing bonuses like crazy to everybody at Aramark. They're trying to, there's a lot of turmoil because of this Aramark Vestis spinoff. They're trying to sell it. They're selling their assets. They're trying to sell their debt. They're trying to do whatever they can to I don't know what's going on the inside, but they are having problems retaining people and keeping their customers. And so because of that, because the managers are wanting to keep their bonuses, what I'm hearing from other sources is that your credits are not getting done. So basically a credit is going to look on your statement would look something like this. So that's one of the things that something on your credit will, on your invoice will look like, a credit statement. Then you'll have the other one was, where to go? Okay. So here's another credit. This is another document that they could send you. It's in an Excel spreadsheet, but this document right here, this is like an $8,000 credit that I got for one of my customers. And so, but you need to get some form of documentation that is going to prove that Aramark owes you a credit. If you don't see it on your statement, if it doesn't show up on your invoice, assume that it never happened, and you need to fight for that. And that's a breach of contract item as well. So I want you guys to know that if they don't give you your credit, then that's a reason for you to breach the contract. So like, subscribe, forward it to some of your other business friends if I can help them out. If you are looking to get some help, if you're going to arbitration or anything like that, go ahead and send me a copy of your contract, send me a copy of your invoice. I'll take a look at it. The first call is always free. So talk to you there, guys, and we'll see you soon.